I've been testing appliances and like sewing machines, televisions. That one didn't work. That one did. It was pretty cool. That cool sign, radios, and this is. So we're gonna actually test some power tools at some point, and this will be the first right here. This is a really neat old Thor worm drive saw. And again, like everything that I touch, that I test here, it hasn't been tested before. It hasn't been plugged in before. So, oh, that just comes, what a neat, and there's a free chisel in there too, and a lot of stuff. So how old is this? Glass securing protection. So no website. The 200th Kentucky 2074. Why is that trivia? The 200th Kentucky Derby will run in the year 2074. Why? Who's asking? Oh, that's funny. Anyway, so I'm assuming that's probably from the 90s or whatever. No website, but let's do a quick cord inspection here. It doesn't look too bad. All right. Okay, that's plugged in. And holding fast there. All right, let's just see if she works. I'm scared. Oh, fail. That puppy's, ooh. Well, I bet you if we crank over that motor a few times though, get those brushes cleaned up a little bit, I bet you that'll kick off. I don't know. We'll try it later. Thanks for watching.